Never stop learning, never stop growing.
Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In this video, I'm going to teach you about the modal verb can. So before getting into the topic, I request please do subscribe my channel, like, comment and share with your friends.
Never stop learning, never stop growing.
Can be used in different ways in English language. When you want to speak about ability of any person or strength of any person, we use this helping verb. That is the first usage. The second use is when you want to request someone, or when you want to ask permission, or when you want to give permission, also we use this modal verb. Okay. So coming to Telugu meaning, can అనగా చెయ్యగలను. ఇది దేని యొక్క కానీ ఎవరి యొక్క కానీ సామర్థ్యాలను శక్తులను తెలియజేయడానికి ఉపయోగిస్తుంటారు. What is the sentence structure of this modal verb? That is subject can plus V1 plus object. For example, నేను ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్చుకోగలను. That is my ability. I can learn English. మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోగలరు. That is your ability. You can understand. వాళ్ళు క్రికెట్ బాగా ఆడగలరు. That is their ability. They can play cricket. ఆమె ముగ్గులు బాగా వేయగలదు. She can do rangoli very well, or she can draw pictures very well. ముగ్గులు వేయడాన్ని రంగోలి అంటాం, ముగ్గులు అంటే. So you can do that like she can do rangoli, or she can draw patterns. Is it clear? And that is the first usage of can. And second use is when you want to ask permission. For that also we can use the helping verb or modal verb, that is can. Can I come in? Can I take your pen please? Can I ask you a question? Can she come here? So when you want to ask permission also we can use the modal verb can. The sentence structure is can plus subject plus V1 plus object. And coming to the third usage, that is subject can plus V1 plus object when you want to give permission. When you want to give permission also we use the helping verb or modal verb can. She can come here. ఆమె ఇక్కడికి రావచ్చు. You can go there. నువ్వు అక్కడికి వెళ్ళచ్చు. They can play cricket now. వాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడు క్రికెట్ ఆడచ్చు. You can ask me a question. నువ్వు నాకు ప్రశ్న అడగవచ్చు. So when you want to give permission also we can use the modal verb can. And coming to the last usage of can, that is request. When you want to request someone, we have a wonderful word in English language, that is please. Very important word, and it should be used in our day-to-day life when you want to request someone. Can you please come here? Can you please come here? Can you please bring me a glass of water? Can you please prepare a dosa for me? Requesting. So you can request to your mother. You can request to your brother. Can you please come to my home for a birthday party? So when you want to request someone also you can use the helping verb can. So we have four usages. The first one is ability of a person, asking permission, giving permission, and also request. I hope you have understood about the modal verb can. Thank you friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, I am requesting you, if you did not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you friends. Have a great day.